Okay, the first thing you gotta do is get the case open. And before you do that though, unplug it. I don't want to forget that. There's a latch here that you pull out and this pops. And you can lift it right out. Next thing you want to do is get the optical drive out. And there's a button here to slide that back. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Just set it over to the side there, and here you can see the memory sticks. But you can't get at them both yet. You got to take this black shroud off. And it holds a hard disk, so make sure you're real careful with it. So pull these two, pinch these two tabs here and lift up. And then it's socketed back here. And just lift it over. So what we're going to have to do is, one of these sticks is bad, so we're going to take them both out. Take your finger and push this little white tab down. Push this little white tab down. And then over on the other side, push it down. Push it down. And then pull the memory straight out. Just like that. Then you're going to take your new memory, and it's keyed on one side. You can see right here. So what you have to do is you have to match it to the key in the slot. So slot that in. Press down on each corner until it snaps. And then you're going to take your second stick. Don't forget to find the key. Match it to the slot. Press down on each side until it snaps. And then you can see that they're locked in here on both sides. Now what we have to do is get this black thing back in, and it can be a pain in the butt. So you want to slot it in the back here. And what's going to get in the way is some of these cables. You kind of have to dink around with it. But after you get it, you just press down here until this locks in place. There we go. It can be a little fiddly. You might have to press down on some of these wires here. Be careful, but they're going to be in the way. Then you're going to take your optical drive and you're going to slot it back in here. Until it fits in. Should fit in. Hold on, I'm going to stop for a second. When you get it in, this tab should be up and the bezels should be flush. Oh, here, that's how you know you got it. It might help to unhook these two wires from this clip if you're having trouble getting the drive back in. Now, take your cover, slot it back in, press it on, plug it in. It's going to go through a self-test. Power it on.